NewStream Enterprises in Springfield, Missouri delivers a supply chain experience you will love. We provide on- and off-highway leaders the freedom to focus on core competencies and the resources and flexibility to grow their business through our kitting, packaging, assembly, and distribution solutions.
Think of us as an extension of your brand. We deliver with quality, reliability, and a culture like no others.
NewStream understands the supply chain challenges you face every day. Warehouse capacity constraints, high customer demand, lack of labor resources, part shortages, and long lead times. These challenges can mean increase in overtime, turnover, and lost revenue. Reduce your stress and increase market share by leaving the details to NewStream's employee owners. We have the resources and experience you need to beat market challenges and win with your customers. Warehouse capacity and expansion plans in a centralized location. On- and off-highway focus for over 30 years. Ability to flex to customer demand. An engaged and cross-trained workforce. Procurement team managing over 20,000 SKUs with more than 200 vendors. NewStream is a competitively priced, problem-solving, easy-to-do business with reliable and open-book business that is eager to take your pain points and turn them into opportunities for growth. Partner with NewStream today and start loving your supply chain.